Cuco! This is Ryan in the bathroom. He's not scared of the Cuco. Cuco! You smiling?
Good.
Oh, you calling him too? Cuco!
Good. Good.
You're not scared of nothing, huh? No, right?
Good.
Cuco! Oh, now you distracted with the camera? That's not a Cuco, that's a camera. Silly. Silly.
Go.
What's a camera?
Go.
Camera.
Go.
Come on, let's go to the living room. Come on, the Cuco's gonna get you in there. Cuco, come on.